In this video, you'll learn how to refund your Ionos hosting plan and understand what you can and can't get your money back on. We'll keep it simple and walk through the entire process step by step, so by the end you'll know exactly what to expect before you click cancel. First, let's talk about eligibility, because not every product can be refunded and timing really matters. Most standard hosting plans with Ionos, like web hosting, WordPress hosting, or the My Website packages, are typically fully refundable if you cancel within the first 30 days after purchase. Think of this as a kind of trial window. If you decide within that first month that the service isn't right for you, you can usually get your hosting fees back without much hassle. It's important to understand that this 30-day period usually starts from the day you place your order, not from the day you first log in or start using the service. So if you've been testing things for a couple of weeks, you'll want to double check how many days have passed since you originally bought the plan. If you're close to that 30-day mark, it's a good idea to start the cancellation process sooner rather than later to avoid missing the refund window. Now, not everything in your Ionos account will be refundable, even if you're within that time frame. Some items are typically non-refundable because Ionos has to pay third parties right away when you buy them. This usually includes domain registration fees, SSL certificates, and any one-time setup fees. For example, when you register a domain name, Ionos pays the domain registry immediately to secure that name for you, and that cost can't usually be reversed. So even if you cancel the hosting, you may still own the domain until it expires, and that fee often stays on your bill. The same goes for SSL certificates, which are purchased from certificate authorities, and any setup or activation charges. These are treated as sunk costs, so you normally won't see a refund for them. Before you cancel, it's smart to review your invoices or order confirmation emails to see exactly what you were charged for, so you have a realistic idea of what portion might come back as a refund. Once you understand what is and isn't refundable, you're ready to start the cancellation process in your Ionos account. Log into your Ionos customer area using your usual credentials. On the top or upper corner of the dashboard, look for the person icon, which usually represents your account profile. Click on that icon to open the account menu. From there, go to the menu option labeled My Account and then choose Contracts and Subscriptions. This section lists all the active contracts and services linked to your account. Take your time here and identify the specific contract you want to cancel and refund. It might be labeled with the name of your hosting plan, such as a web hosting package or a WordPress package. Once you've located the correct contract, select it to open its details page. On that page, look for the option that says Cancel Contract. Click on Cancel Contract to start the cancellation process. You may be asked to confirm your decision or choose a cancellation date. To qualify for a refund, make sure the effective cancellation date still falls within that initial 30-day period. After you confirm the cancellation, keep an eye out for a confirmation message or email from Ionos. That will serve as your record that you initiated the refund eligible cancellation. If you're unsure whether the refund has been applied, you can always check your payment method over the next few days or contact Ionos support for clarification.